Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Snapchat. We will go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scroll in the you will search about Snapchat as you see, and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart or waiting to restart your phone on the application again to fix the problem of the application of Snapchat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.